Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that I believe is essential for our personal growth and well-being: spring cleaning your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Spring cleaning is usually associated with decluttering our physical spaces, but today, we're going to focus on renewing our self-care habits and nurturing our body, mind, and spirit. You see, life can get hectic, and we often forget to prioritize ourselves. We get caught up in the demands of work, relationships, and everyday responsibilities, leaving little time for self-care. But here's the thing: taking care of ourselves is not selfish, it's necessary. It's like the oxygen mask analogy on an airplane. We need to put our own mask on first before we can help others. So, let's start by nurturing our body. Spring is the perfect time to reevaluate our eating habits and incorporate more nourishing foods into our diet. Let's challenge ourselves to try new recipes, experiment with fresh ingredients, and fuel our bodies with the nutrients they need. And don't forget about exercise. Find a physical activity that brings you joy and make it a regular part of your routine. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or hiking, moving your body will not only improve your physical health, but also boost your mood and overall well-being. Next, let's focus on nurturing our mind. Spring cleaning our life means decluttering our thoughts and creating space for positivity and growth. Take some time each day to practice mindfulness or meditation. Allow yourself to let go of negative thoughts and embrace a more positive mindset. Surround yourself with uplifting books, podcasts, or even affirmations that inspire and motivate you. Remember, what we feed our minds has a profound impact on our outlook on life. Lastly, let's nurture our spirit. Connect with your inner self and explore what brings you joy and fulfillment. Maybe it's spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, or engaging in creative activities. Whatever it is, make it a priority. Spring is a time of renewal and rebirth, so let's use this opportunity to reconnect with our passions and purpose. Now, I know that making these changes can be challenging, but I believe in you. I believe that you have the strength and resilience to transform your life. So, let's embark on this journey together. Let's support and motivate each other to prioritize self-care and create a life that is aligned with our truest selves. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have so much more content coming your way, all aimed at inspiring and empowering you to live your best life. Remember, spring cleaning your life is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of growth and self-discovery. So let's embrace this journey and make the most out of every moment. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take care and keep shining your light.